Welcome to Bike World, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the motorcycle universe. Today's spotlight is on the 2026 BMW S1000RR, a superbike that pushes performance, technology, and precision riding to an entirely new level. Design and aerodynamics. The 2026 S1000RR continues BMW's aggressive design language with a sharper, more streamlined aerodynamic package. The updated winglets, slimmer fairings, and optimized airflow channels reduce drag while improving downforce at high speeds. Its lightweight construction further enhances stability and cornering confidence. Engine and performance. Powering the new S1000RR is a refined 999 cubic centimeters inline-four engine that delivers improved mid-range torque and quicker throttle response. BMW's shift-cam technology returns with better efficiency and stronger power delivery across the rev range. Faster acceleration, smoother power curves, and improved heat management make it track-ready and road-friendly. Electronics and rider aids. BMW enhances the electronic suite with next-gen traction control, upgraded wheelie management, and more precise ABS Pro. The updated riding modes provide greater customization, while a redesigned TFT display offers clearer information and deeper control settings. Advanced AI-based predictive stability features also make the 2026 model smarter and more responsive. Chassis, handling and comfort. The revised chassis geometry and lighter frame improve agility without sacrificing stability. A new electronically adaptive suspension system adjusts in real time to riding conditions, delivering superior comfort and maximum grip. Combined with premium brakes and improved ergonomics, the S1000RR remains one of the most balanced superbikes in its class. Final thoughts. The 2026 BMW S1000RR blends raw power with advanced technology to create a superbike engineered for precision, speed, and control. With continuous improvements in aerodynamics, electronics, and handling. Like and subscribe for more.